How to connect Instagram to Meta Business Suite account. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily add an Instagram account under your Meta Business Suite account, previously known as Facebook Business Suite. So first thing you're going to do is open up your web browser and head over to facebook.com. From here, you're going to switch to a store or a page where you have your Meta Business Suite logged in. Once you get here, head over to Professional Dashboard and then scroll down until you find the Meta Business Suite. Click on it and it will take you to a new tab and open up business.facebook.com. You could directly go to this as well. Now, once you're here on the left side, you'll find a navigation bar, and under the search settings, you have the settings menu. Click on it. And once you land on the settings page, you again have other info right here under your settings. So you have users and then accounts. So under accounts, you have an option to add Instagram accounts. Just head over here. And if you have already connected some Instagram accounts, it will show up here. But if you haven't, click on add and then go ahead and click on agree and claim Instagram account. And now you're just going to have to log into your Instagram from here. I'm just going to go ahead and log in. And once you log into your Instagram, you should be able to add it to your Facebook Meta Business Suite. Once I've logged in, I'm just going to save my login info for now. And once you are logged in, you can just click on login again, and it will be added to your Meta Business Suite. So just wait for it to complete. And finally, once this is done, your Instagram account will be added to your Facebook or Meta Business Suite account. Tap on done, and as you can see, the account has been successfully added. That is it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.